In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset WooCommerce order number. If your store's order numbers are messy, out of sequence, or you want a clean numbering scheme for reporting, this walkthrough will help you set it up safely and clearly. First, open your WordPress website and sign into the dashboard with an administrator account. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins. Choose Add New so you can install a tool that controls your order numbers. In the search bar, type Custom Order Number. You're looking for a plugin that lets you define your own order number format. When you find it, click Install, and once the installation completes, click Activate. If you don't see the plugin right away, make sure you're on the Add New screen and that your site can connect to the WordPress plugin directory. Once the plugin is active, head to WooCommerce in the left menu and click Settings. You'll now see a new tab labeled Custom Order or something similar, added by the plugin. Open that tab. This is where you define how your order numbers should look and where you can effectively reset them. You'll typically see options for a starting number, a prefix or suffix, and sometimes formatting choices like padding with zeros. To reset the sequence, set a new starting number that you want your next order to use. For example, entering 1001 means your next order will begin from 1001. Use a prefix or suffix only if it helps you identify orders, such as adding a year tag, but keep it simple so invoices and shipping labels stay clear. If there's an option to apply formatting to new orders only, leave it that way to avoid unexpected changes to historical data. Most stores should not retroactively change existing order numbers, as that can confuse accounting, fulfillment, or customer references. Before you save, double-check your choices. Think about how this affects bookkeeping and integrations like shipping or ERP tools. If your business must keep a strict, continuous sequence for compliance or auditing, confirm your new starting number aligns with your records. When you're confident, click Save Changes. From now on, new orders will follow the format and starting number you've set. If you ever need to adjust it again, return to the same Custom Order tab in WooCommerce settings. That's all there is to it. You've installed the plugin, configured your custom order number settings, and saved your changes so your WooCommerce store can start fresh with a clear, consistent order sequence.